Hi, my name's Chef Eric, and I'm here with the Cancer Fighters, and we're going to prepare one of their recipes for you. It is a mango ginger carrot smoothie. It is found on their website that you can check out. And this recipe is high in antioxidants. It's a great source of fiber and very healthy friendly. Also, the fresh ginger really helps with the stomach irritations and a lot of nausea feelings. So, pretty basic ingredients. We're going to start with, we have some soy milk, we have some ice, we have some mango, fresh ginger, fresh orange, and fresh carrots. So, what a lot of people don't know is they get a little intimidated when they buy fresh ginger because it looks like this, and it doesn't look like this. So, a nice easy way to peel this is all you have to do is take any spoon from your kitchen and you just take it and you just kind of scrape it down a little bit. And then all of that comes right off. It's very simple. And when you're done with it, you'll have nice peeled fresh ginger, which is much better than that pre-chopped stuff that you can find in the grocery store, because you lose a lot of the good ingredients in that. So you can finish your peeling it and slice it up any way you want. So that would be the best way to do that. When using carrots, you must always peel your carrots. They grow in the ground, a lot of dirt gets trapped inside there. You just want to make sure you peel them so you have nice smooth sides, you get all the area cleaned off. When you start with a fresh orange, the best way, right for this recipe, we need a half an orange. So just cut long ways right there. And then you have a nice flat surface you can set your orange on, that way it doesn't slide around on you. So you can just take your knife and just peel down and get the skin right off. And then you can chop it up into your pieces. Mango, so you can buy frozen mango in the store if you want, or a fresh mango such as this. There is a large pit inside, so typically, you're just going to cut the ends off, like most vegetables, and then you're just going to peel it down to the sides. So I like to use a little peeling knife, nice and sharp, because you want your mango to be ripe. Now I might be making this look kind of easy. It is a little slippery, so you want to be careful when you're peeling it. That's why in your freezer, the mango comes already pre-cut and diced up for you, so it'd make it really easy for you to prepare. But then all you would do is, right here's your pit, you're just going to kind of trim it down on both sides. Get as much mango as you can. Kind of trim it. And then that's pretty much just the pit piece. And then you can just dice it up real fast and have it ready to go. So now after you have all your ingredients ready to go and prepped up, we're just going to add them into the blender. You can also use a food processor if you don't have a blender, or an immersion blender if that's the direction you want to go. Mango a little bit sticky, make sure you get it all. This is the soy milk. If you don't want to use soy milk and want to change it for a different kind of milk, that's your prerogative. But soy milk is the one with the recipe online. And then a little bit of ice gives you a little bit of texture when you're blending it up. It kind of helps knock all those ingredients together. Okay, make sure it's secure. All right, well, after blending about 30 seconds on high, You're gonna just take this out. Be very careful, everything's very orange. It will stain your clothes. Take the lid off and you can pour your desired amount for each person that you prepared it for. Comes out nice and smooth, all fresh ingredients, nice and blended. And this particular recipe that we showed you that's on the website makes about 2.5 cups. So if you feel like 4 ounces, that gives you about 5 portions per person. So based on your volume is how much you want to make for everyone. But you can use a straw or just drink it right out of the cup. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you tune in for the next show. Thank you. Bye.